Your future isn't something far off, it's already forming. Imagine it as a mountain. At the top, financial freedom. Every smart move you make now, that's another step upwards. Let's map down your climb starting right now. At 13, your greatest asset is not money, it's time. The earlier you start, the more your savings can grow. Can't open an account yet? Ask a parent to help set up a custodial account. In the UK, that's Junior ISA. In the US, it's a UGMA or UTMA. Even saving birthday cash can become something real by 18. At 14, you have got a rare edge. No bills. That gives you freedom to explore part-time jobs, hobbies, volunteering, or helping your neighbors. Don't stress about being instantly good at anything. Skills come from trying, failing, and figuring it out. By 15, shift from just saving to building a stash. Ask for money instead of gifts. Take on small gigs and think twice before blowing it on the latest tag. That growing fund, it's your launch pad for future moves, whether it's learning, building, or investing. At 16, it's all about sharpening your edge. Learn real skills, coding, design, video editing, fixing things, selling. Not all online courses are worth it. Focus on hands-on learning and join communities where you can participate, build, and get feedback. At 17, mobility becomes power. Get your driving license. Even if you don't have a car yet, the ability to move around gives you freedom, flexibility, and shows responsibility. Opportunity doesn't always come to you front door. At 18, you are officially in the game. Set up 2 bank accounts, one for spending, one for saving, ideally at different banks so temptation stays out of reach. Start an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses. Choose banks that work for you. Low fees, clean apps, and good support. In the UK, Monzo and Chase are solid. In the US, Ally and Capital One have strong options. There's no moment when it all magically clicks. But the truth is, if you start now, keep learning, and build with intention, you will be miles ahead by the time others start looking up that mountain. Your climb starts with one step. What will it be this week? A saved tenors, a weekend job, a new skill? Start now and your future self will be glad you did.